In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to do a registration page and a login screen for Laravel. It's really easy and it's really powerful. Let's get into it. So we come into a terminal and we are going to create a new directory, and we are going to call it Blade Breeze. And we're going to do this login screen. Now we're going to go into the folder and we're going to start a new Laravel project. To do that, we're going to execute the command. We're going to execute the command composer create project Laravel/Laravel. And for this one, we're going to call it Blade Breeze. Now it's going to create everything that it needs. We're going to use the same database that we were using on the previous lectures, just with this project. And we're going to create a new database, so it won't matter. Now now that it's created, let's go into it. And in here, just to make sure, let's run it. Let's go to this URL. And as you can see, it's running. So now we have to create the registration page. How do we do that? It's very easy. Now we're going to execute this command. Let's execute this command composer require Laravel Breeze dev. Now this is going to install Breeze, which is the one in charge of doing all that registration process and all that login. Now we need to execute this command php artisan breeze :install blade to finish installing everything. And now we have created a Laravel project in Blade using Breeze as the registration. One last step that we need to do is that we need to configure the .env file so that we can create a database. So let's do that in our next step. We're going to open up the editor and we're going to edit the database information. Okay, so here I have opened the new Blade Breeze project that we're creating. I'm gonna go to environment, and here what we need to change is that we need to put a new database. We're gonna call it Blade Breeze, the root, and then password, just like we had on the other project. Save it. Now we're going to go into the database editor and create that database. Blade Breeze. Okay, now that we have it created, now we need to run the migrations. So we are going to execute php artisan migrate. First of all, let's go into that database and see what it has. Okay, now that we are in our database, as you can see, we have no tables here. But when we run the migration, it created all these tables. So now we go back into the database and we refresh. We are going to see all these tables. Now these tables are going to help us with the registration page. So now let's do php artisan serve. Okay, now let's go to the website. Let's refresh. And as you can see, now we have a login and a register button, and it should all work automatically. How cool is that? So let's put login, as you can see here, or we can go back, go to register. Let's try it out. Blade. It doesn't have to be a real email. Let's just. Okay, so now as you can see, we're logged in as a user. We can go into a profile. Look, all this UI that it already comes by default on Laravel. How cool is that? Normally this would take you some time to do all this registration process, log out, log in, even a remember me. So this is nice. Just in a few commands we were able to get this done, and this is done using Blade. Now if we examine the code, let's go into the routes and let's go into the web. And as you can see here, now we have a dashboard route that requires authentication. Without the authentication middleware check, it's not gonna bring the dashboard view. Also, with authentication, we have a route to get the profile and make edits to the profile. Also in here, auth.php, as you can see, now we have on this many different logical flows for their user registration, password forgotten, and all that stuff. So this is all right now using Blade only, but on the next lecture we're going to do the same steps using React and Inertia, and as you will see that it will be a little bit different. We're going to explore it, but it's a different way of achieving this same thing. So let's get into that, and then we are going to build on top of this app.